A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, a jury has determined that the New York Times did not libel former Alaska Governor Sarah Palin, concluding a lengthy legal battle that began with a 2017 editorial. The jury reached its verdict after deliberating for just over 2 hours following closing arguments from both parties in a Manhattan federal court civil trial. Palin, who served as the Republican vice presidential nominee in 2008, claimed that the editorial in question harmed her reputation and led to an increase in death threats against her. The editorial, published in the wake of a shooting at a congressional baseball practice that injured Republican Representative Steve Scalise, suggested that Palin's Political Action Committee had contributed to a climate of violence through its rhetoric. Specifically, the Times referenced a controversial advertisement that displayed a map with crosshairs over the districts of certain Democratic lawmakers, including then-Representative Gabby Giffords, who was severely injured in a mass shooting in 2011. The Times issued a correction less than 14 hours after the editorial's publication, stating that there was no evidence linking the advertisement to the actions of the shooter. During the trial, Palin's lawyer, Kenneth Turkle, argued that the editorial was published with reckless disregard for the truth, urging the jury to hold the Times accountable for the damage done to Palin's reputation. In contrast, Felicia Ellsworth, representing the Times, contended that the error was an honest mistake and emphasized the newspaper's commitment to correcting inaccuracies promptly. She pointed out that the editorial board acted swiftly to amend the record once the mistake was identified. The jury ultimately sided with the Times, reaffirming the high standard of proof required for defamation claims against public figures, which necessitates evidence of actual malice. Following the verdict, Palin expressed her gratitude for her family and indicated that she had not yet made a decision regarding a potential appeal. The ruling has been seen as a reaffirmation of the principles of free speech and the protections afforded to publishers in the United States. The case has drawn significant attention not only for its implications on media accountability but also for its reflection of the ongoing discussions surrounding political discourse and rhetoric in America. As the legal battle concludes, the focus now shifts to how public figures like Palin navigate their relationships with the media and the broader implications for journalistic integrity in the face of political scrutiny. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.